I got another video for you guys. Show you guys how to replace the air filter on a 2017 and up Acura Mdx. This might work for the 2014 and up. I think it will work for the 2014 and up because it's the same setup, same motor setup and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, they really simplified things, especially as the car got newer and newer. The newer models, they definitely simplified a lot of things because changing the air filter, the cabin filter, and different things like that for these vehicles are a lot easier than they were before. Thank goodness for that. Thank goodness. So all right, so let me get back to the video. So you just pull this clip sideways here. Pull this clip sideways here. There's gonna be another clip here on the side. Okay, so now you lift the cover up like so. This is the air filter here. Just take it out like so. Check your air filter. Okay, then the new one that you have, just put it in. Put in the new filter like so. Then you make sure that, you see the little slots down here, you got to make sure it lines up with these notches here on the end. So what I'm going to do is lift up like so. Okay, just tilt it, push down and tilt back like so, and then it just, all right, so now that that has slid into the grooves here, now you just put the clips on like so. 1, 2, and 3. That's it. It's that simple. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them, to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on MDX, the newer MDXs. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Peace.